Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Steve. Welcome back to the channel. Another video. If it's your first time stopping by the channel, hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you won't regret it. And if you're a returning subscriber, as always, welcome back. Guys, I want to wish you a happy Sunday. And today I want to talk a little bit about cryptocurrency and some of my opinion about how I think the Sam Bankman-Fried fiasco, the bankruptcy, him being arrested this week, and everything has a very bad shadow on cryptocurrency. And I'm anxious to see where this thing will go in 2023 and beyond, because there are a lot of people out here that are predicting that this FTX situation and then the situation with BZ or BC or whatever his name is with Binance, with him having this bad interview earlier this week, it's one of those things where they're saying that the stain on crypto is too big to recover from. Now, I want to talk a little bit about that, but I want to say something real quick. And it's a disclaimer. As of recently, I've been mixing my channel, which was primarily about finance, with trending topics or things that I thought were interesting to talk about, or, were worth commenting on. My channel is still my channel, guys. And I appreciate all my viewers, and I try to give content to appease everybody that's subscribed to me. So I am aware that I haven't put anything out about investing or anything like that, but the channel's still the channel. I'm not trying to lose anybody as a subscriber, but I still wanted to make that known. As a content creator, you guys subscribe to me. I try to give you the best content I can. I owe you that much. Now let's get into it. As you know, Sam Bankman-Fried has been arrested earlier this week. You got people mad at him. He's looking crazy. People are comparing him to Bernie Madoff with the Ponzi scheme. And it has a lot of similarities to it, right? But prior to this, guys, we got to keep it real. This is not the sum cause of crypto's downfall or the bad taste it has left in his mouth. He's just the biggest story so far. A lot of cryptocurrency companies have been hacked earlier this year, because 2022 was a bad year for crypto. We had companies getting hacked, millions of dollars stolen. We had a lot of bankruptcies, and it's one of those things where a lot of people that don't believe in crypto, like me, I don't believe in crypto. A lot of folks are like, yeah, see, I told you it was garbage. And a lot of people that do believe in crypto, are left there saying, hey, crypto is not as bad as you think it is. Because I want to clarify something. Sam Bankman-Fried had a crypto exchange. BZ had a crypto exchange. Binance, to my knowledge, is a crypto exchange. And I'm no expert in crypto, trust me. You ask me anything with investing, dividend investing, I'm your man. But cryptocurrency, I gotta admit, I had no interest in it, as an investor, and I still don't. But situation with BZ getting on CNBC, and looking crazy in that interview, whether you say he was self-incriminating or not, or putting himself under scrutiny to be investigated next, we'll see. But honestly, he shouldn't even have got on there. And I mean, it backfired bad for him. Now, situation stands as this. They got the man apprehended. Recent news came out yesterday that I seen that Sam Bankman-Fried will not object to getting extradited to the United States. So he might be here this week. I don't know. Nobody knows. Because things like that take time sometimes. But what is known is they have, and when I say they, I'm talking about the U.S. government has no tolerance for this crypto thing. I think they're going to be forced to have some type of regulation, whether they want to or not, because so many high upper echelon people were affected by the negligence of Sam Bankman-Fried and the FTX situation. There would be some type of regulation. And I'm just giving my opinion, don't quote me on that. But just sitting here thinking there'll be some type of regulation, because it's no way they're going to let 2023 be like 2022, where a lot of people lost money because these companies went bankrupt and kept the money, you know, under claims that I'm rebuilding the business, Chapter 11, and so on and so forth. You know, I don't think they're going to allow that to happen, because it's only a matter of time when they say investing is investing, and then people start saying stuff about the stock market. And it might be minimal, but I mean, it's just my opinion. You know how it is. Fear spreads a lot. And we're going into, you know, a year where it's going to be a lot of layoffs. People are going to lose jobs. There's going to be bad earnings reports. You know, stocks are going to be plummeting. Some businesses might not make it that had promised prior to the downturn in the economic situation. So, guys, just be ready. You know, everybody has a battle plan. 2023 and beyond, until inflation is back down to 2%, will be tumultuous for a lot of people. And it affects everybody, whether you're in the stock market investing like myself and others, or you just a regular person that's in society trying to make it with a 9-to-5. You know, another thing is, getting back to crypto. If crypto does, you know, and the reason why I brought up 2023, with it being tumultuous, a lot of these crypto coins that you see that are very small, I think a lot of them will knock themselves off, because they're not going to be able to keep up. As this trial goes on with Sam Bankman-Fried, more and more people will flee from the burning house, which is crypto. Now, I think honestly, Ethereum, Bitcoin, I think they'll be the top dogs moving forward, because I mean, they've been around for a while, and you look at their stock prices, people still believe in them brands. You haven't really heard anything bad from them neither, you know, as investments. And companies usually mention them as far as what they will and won't take as a currency, you know, to buy things. I mean, right now you can still buy stuff with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So, you know, when I talk about crypto and all this stuff, them two kind of separate themselves from the rest, and what my main talking point is. Like I said, as Sam Bankman-Fried keeps going, I think the more he talks, the more he incriminate Binance too. And I don't possibly not see a scenario where they're calling CZ in, you know, possibly in this investigation. You know, with him being arrested, they might subpoena CZ to come and give his side of the story, because you know Sam Bankman-Fried, the longer you in jail, he's gonna be sitting there and he's gonna be like, listen, I'm not gonna just go through this by myself. And you know, a lot of people that have been locked up, you know this, when you're sitting in the cell and it's a repetitive day in and day out, and your life has drastically changed and your freedom is taken away, you start to think internally a lot. And a lot of things that don't come up when you're trying to think fast on your feet, when you're under pressure, when you got time to think, a lot of things come back to you. Guys, I don't think we've seen the end of this situation. And I really think that CZ is on the hot seat, because Sam Bankman-Fried and the people that's with him, because they're going after them too, a lot is going to come out. Sam Bankman-Fried is not going to be off the hook by far, and he will do time. But I also think CZ and probably other companies that we don't even know about that have involvement in the situation. I mean, this trial, or this whatever is going to happen with Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX, I think that's just the tip of what's going to be exposed later on in 2023. But we'll have to stay tuned for that. Honestly, in closing, I don't think crypto is going to go away, you know, but I think the strong ones are going to survive and the weak ones are going to fall by the wayside. In 2023, we're going to find out who they are, or at least the beginning of who they are. But as always, man, I'm Stock Market Steve. As always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you could, leave me a comment, man. Tell me what you think about this crypto thing. What you think is going to happen in 2023 with the way they're predicting stocks to be falling at alarming rates. Do you think crypto will survive? 5, 10 years from now, you think crypto will still be here? I'd like to hear from you. But as always, guys, I appreciate you spending time with me as usual. Have a great day.